Today is Friday, May the 7th, 2010. We're here with Stanford DERERE in Harare, Zimbabwe. Stanford is a sculptor, and Stanford does an awful lot of wildlife and birds in his sculpting. How are you today, Stanford?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Working hard today?
Yeah, very much.
Stanford works here with Dominic Benura, and right now he's working on a small bird. Some examples of Stanford's work. These are some birds that have been sculpted, have not yet been finished. They're awaiting the final touches where they will be polished. You can see sculptures like this and plenty of others at www.utonga.com. Brought to you by Utonga Gallery. Here's another piece by Stanford. And yet another one. There's some birds that are in the making. The tool that Stanford is using is called a chasing hammer. It gives the stone some texture. The stone that he's working on is called opal stone. Will ultimately be green in color once it's polished. This is where Stanford works. You can see all the raw stone laying on the ground waiting to be worked on. Alright, thank you, Stanford.
Thank you, Mr. Tim.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.